High performance isn't for everyone. It's not for those who settle. It's not for those who make excuses. It's for those who feel that fire burning inside, the deep, undeniable drive to push further, go harder and become the absolute best version of themselves. If you're watching this, maybe you feel it too. I have always been obsessed with human potential. As a tennis coach, a marathon runner and mindset geek, I've learned what it means to push limits, break barriers and ignite that inner fire to perform at my highest level. I have studied the greats, Gregg Braden and Lipton on the power of biology and energy, Dispenza and Eckhart Tolle on the science of the mind, Hicks and Robbins on focus, flow and success. I have trained in neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, to rewire the mind for peak performance. And I've lived these principles on and off the court. In the summer of 2024 I took it even further, experiencing Roland Garros for the first time, diving deep into high performance coaching with Simon Sweaty. Because high performance isn't just about talent, it's about how you train, how you think, how you recover and how you execute under pressure. High performance isn't luck, it's a formula where you master your mind, because your thoughts shape your focus and your focus shapes your results. Optimize your energy because your physiology controls your performance. Align with your purpose because when you know your why, your fire never dies. Execute with precision because winning is a habit, not a one-time event. Whether you're an athlete, an entrepreneur or simply someone who refuses to settle, the principles of high performance apply to you. It's not about working harder, it's about training smarter, thinking bigger and executing at the level most people never reach. The difference between good and great, it's the ability to show up every single day, to push through when others quit, and to find that extra gear when it matters most. You don't wait for motivation, you create it. You don't wish for success, you train for it. You don't hope to win, you condition your mind and your body to expect it. Because the real battle, it's not out there, it's in here. If you feel that fire within you, if you know you're meant for more, then you're in the right place. High performance isn't for everyone, but if you're ready to break limits, elevate your performance and step into your highest potential, then let's get to work.